Hi guys, if you are like me, you want to add the follow button to your Facebook page but you don't know how, this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 easy ways to add the follow button to your Facebook page. Now make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. By the way, you can do this on your laptop, on your PC or a phone, okay, like iPhone or Android phone, it doesn't matter. This works on all devices. Now you just want to follow these simple steps. Like I said, the first thing you need to do guys to add the follow button to your Facebook page is you want to click on first you have to choose the page that you want to add the follow button to. So this is the page that I want to add the follow button to, as you can see. Now what you need to do guys to add the follow button, you want to click on these 3 little dots, as you can see, these 3 little dots, and then you want to click on edit action button, okay, and you want to click on try it. Now in this list guys, if you can see here follow button, that's good if you can see it here. But if you want to add something else, like something like call now, send email, contact us, but if you don't see here follow button, then follow these simple steps. I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 other ways that will for sure help you add the follow button to your Facebook page. As you can see, like me, I can see here follow button, they removed it from this list. Now what you need to do guys, you want to open your own Facebook account, not Facebook page. I'm talking about your Facebook account, okay. Now this is my own profile. You can turn this into a page if you don't know guys. This is, like I said, the second method. I'm gonna be showing you guys the third method, which will like a lot of people will be happy with, because a lot of people they don't want to turn their own Facebook profile into a page. I don't know about you, but if this is just an easy solution for you. Now you just want to log into your Facebook account, and then you want to click on these 3 little dots, and then you want to click on turn on professional mode, and you want to click again on turn on here. And now if you turn your Facebook account into professional mode, it's like you have a Facebook page, okay. You have turned your own Facebook profile into a Facebook page. You can make money with this. If you don't know guys, you can search about Facebook professional mode. There are a lot of videos on YouTube explaining how to make money from your own videos. Like if you post videos, people, and also what I like about professional mode is when you post a video, you can choose if you want your friends to see it or people only that are interested in that video. Like your friends will not be able to see the video if that's what you want. Now like you see here, I'm going to click on view as you can see, each one who is going to open your Facebook profile, they will see here the follow button. As you can see, it's great because this is my own profile. I can't click on follow, okay. Now the third method guys is to log into your Facebook page. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on see all profiles. This is the page that I want to add the follow button to. Now you want to click on 3 little dots, as you can see, and then you want to click on let me check. Yeah, you want to just log into your Facebook page, and you want to click your profile in the top right, and then you want to click on help and support, and you want to click on report a problem, and then you want to click on help us improve Facebook, click on include in report, and here where it says choose an area, you want to scroll down and you want to click on pages. You want to find here pages, if you can find it here. Yeah, this is pages, and then here where it says please include as information as possible, you want to add here, hi Facebook, I don't have follow button on my Facebook page. That's all you need to do guys. Please fix this, okay. Just tell them hi, fix this, and this is the text that you need to send them, and then you want to click on submit, and then you will have to wait, I would say, like 24 hours to 48 hours, and then you will add the follow button to your Facebook page. Now I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, and if you need any questions, you don't understand anything, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single. Please drop a like on this video, and make sure you watch the video in the screen if you want to learn more about Facebook. See you guys in the next video.